Hi, Dave Powell, Integrity Surveying. Continuing on with the little project that I've just bought. This is going to be our family home, and it's a bit of a refurb, or a doer-upper, I think is a technical term. When we go out, we like to go through as much as possible, as deep as possible, and that includes the garage doors. Wherever possible, and hopefully we have keys, we'll open these up, close them down, test them for operation and check the locks. And it's something that you can do when you're out and about looking for your own home. We opened this one and we had to kick it too, because it was basically it's past the end of its life, so we're having to replace the garage door. However, the price of a new garage door is around about £700 to £800, and just by opening and closing a door such as this, you can then take assessments and think, well, when we buy this, how much money we're going to have to spend on it? Will there be any nasty surprises? Look at things like this. Check the doors, check locks. A £700 or £800 garage door, well, maybe you can knock that off the asking price. So test things as much as possible, check things as much as possible, and hopefully that's a helpful hint that might save you a few quid on your next purchase. Dave Powell, Integrity Surveying, and thanks for watching.